Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Tonight, pizza night. Pizza night, you know what that's all about? Wings, pizza, and beer. Tonight, we got a 6-pack of Heineken.
Heineken?
Forget that!
Pabst Blue Ribbon!
Pizza, it's all about the dough. We got 00 King Arthur organic, honey, yeast, oil, spring water, and that's it. All right, the dough, most important. Warm water, 108 degrees, raw honey, yeast, and then of course your 00 flour, and then some sunflower oil at the end, a couple of ounces only. That'll be good. And then you're gonna wanna mix it, and then throw it on the table, knead it, and then let it set to rise. And then you quarter it, and then you make your little ones for your second rise, and put oil on top and get those ready to go. And while that's happening, oh look, teriyaki wings, cover them up. All right, this is it. Now you really have to knead this out. It's very bubbly, and you got to get it good. You know, make sure it's dry. You know, but it's a wet dough, so I don't know how that works, but. Anyways, tapered rolling pin. This is a rock maple, 2 feet long. It's really good for getting it all round or flat or any way you want it, because the taperedness is so, see that? It's just so forgiving. Anything, look at that, boom, boom, boom. And then of course, throw it around. I mean, if you're the kind of guy that throws it over your head, good, do that. And then get your stone, wipe it down, throw a little cornmeal on it, and you're ready to go. Beautiful. Okay, deluxe pizza here. So, if you got greens on your pizza, you put the greens in with the sauce, and then you put the cheese over it. That way it doesn't, burn to a cinder. And then, of course, sausage, mushrooms, onions, and in the oven. Wow, smoking hot and delicious. All right, next. Okay, Margharitaville, olive oil, cheese, and what you want to do is you want to get yourself some, always get the best vegetables you can find in the store. It's worth it. And then slice those up whole, more cheese, oven, and then out. Very nice. And then put your fresh basil or anything that you would on top of your pizza after it comes out. Look at that. Nice. All right, super pepperoni. Here it is. Sauce, cheese, and then deal it out like you're dealing cards in a little spirograph thing. And then a little more cheese on top in the oven. Here it comes. Deluxe super pepperoni. And this is what we have for tonight. Teriyaki wings on a bed of spinach with sesame seeds. Deluxe pizza, Margharita, and super pepperoni. Pizza, wings, and beer. What else do you need? All right, we'll see you next time.